Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off the shared with you feature on your iPhone. If you want to declutter your messages and keep things private, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, unlock your iPhone and find the settings app. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll down until you see messages. Now tap on it to open the messaging settings. In the messaging settings, look for the option labeled shared with you. It should be near the top of the list. Now tap on shared with you. You'll see a toggle switch at the top. Simply switch it off to disable the feature. You might also want to remove any existing shared items. You can do this by scrolling down and choosing remove all shared with you. Once you've turned it off, just exit out of the settings and you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully turned off shared with you on your iPhone.